Manholes are less common in A. Cast iron pipes, B. Steel pipes, C. Hum steel pipes, D. RCC pipes. The correct answer is cast iron pipes. While designing a water supply of an industrial township, industrial and commercial water demand of total supply is assumed. A. 10, B. 10 to 15, C. 15 to 20, D. 20 to 25. The correct answer is 20 to 25. The storage capacity of a reservoir may be divided into 3 zones. The lowest zone is A. Dead storage, B. Useful storage, C. Surcharge storage, D. None of these. The correct answer is dead storage. In a rapid gravity filter, A. Raw water from the source is supplied, B. Disinfected raw water is supplied, C. Raw water passed through coagulation tank is supplied, D. None of these. The correct answer is raw water passed through coagulation tank is supplied. In distribution pipes, air valves are provided at A. Lower points, B. Junction points, C. Higher points, D. Anywhere. The correct answer is higher points. Surcharge storage zone of a reservoir is A. Below dead storage, B. Between dead storage and useful storage, C. Above useful storage, D. Also known as valley storage. The correct answer is above useful storage. Surface water may A. Contain large amount of impurities, B. Be contaminated by impurities, C. Contain disease-producing bacteria, D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. For a city developed haphazardly, the layout of distribution pipes preferred to is A. Ring system, B. Radial system, C. Gridiron system, D. Dead end system. The correct answer is dead end system. Asbestos pipes are joined by means of A. Flanged joint, B. Flexible joint, C. Dresser coupling joint, D. Simplex joint. The correct answer is simplex joint. Abyssinian tube well is a special type of A. Slotted type wells, B. Cavity type wells, C. Strainer type well, D. None of these. The correct answer is strainer type well. Chlorination of water does not remove A. Ammonia content, B. BOD, C. Organic matter content, D. Dissolved oxygen. The correct answer is dissolved oxygen. The efficiency of a pumping set is generally assumed A. 50, B. 55, C. 60, D. 65. The correct answer is 65. To remove very fine suspended particles from water, the method adopted is A. Screening, B. Sedimentation, C. Boiling, D. Filtration. The correct answer is filtration. Velocity of flow of water in plain sedimentation water tank is normally kept A. 3 cm minute, B. 10 cm minute, C. 20 cm minute, D. 30 cm minute. The correct answer is 30 cm minute. The most important and widely used tube well in India is A. Strainer well, B. Cavity well, C. Slotted well, D. Perforated pipe well. The correct answer is strainer well. Disappearance of pink color of water of a well due of CNO4 indicates that water contains A. Acidity, B. Alkalinity, C. Turbidity, D. Organic matter. The correct answer is organic matter. Shales are A. Porous, B. Permeable, C. Porous and permeable, D. Porous but not permeable. The correct answer is porous but not permeable. Grade aqueducts are not allowed to run. A. Full. B. At full. C. Full. D. At full. The correct answer is full. Growth of population can be conveniently represented by A. An arithmetical curve. B. A semi-logarithmic curve. C. A logistic curve. D. A straight line curve. The correct answer is a logistic curve. In a well-planned city, the layout of distribution pipes generally adopted is A. Gridiron system. B. Interlaced system. C. Reticulation system. D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. Air valves are generally provided in pressure pipes of water supply. A. At pipe junctions. B. At summits. C. At low points. D. Near service pipes. The correct answer is at summits. Bacteria which can survive with or without free oxygen are known. A. Aerobic bacteria. B. Anaerobic bacteria. C. Facultative bacteria. D. None of these. The correct answer is facultative bacteria. The maximum permissible color for domestic supplies based on cobalt scale is A. 5 ppm. B. 10 ppm. C. 15 ppm. D. 20 ppm. The correct answer is 20 ppm. The dilution ratio at which the odor is hardly detectable is generally called threshold odor number, and for public supplies it should not exceed A. 3. B. 5. C. 7. D. 9. The correct answer is 3. The joint used for joining the plain ends of cast iron pipes is A. Flanged joint. B. Socket and spigot joint. C. Dresser coupling joint. D. Flexible joint. The correct answer is dresser coupling joint. The bacteria which may survive with or without free oxygen are called A. Aerobic bacteria. B. Anaerobic bacteria. C. Faculative bacteria. D. None of these. The correct answer is faculative bacteria. Detention time for plain sedimentation tank usually ranges from A. 2 to 4 hours. B. 4 to 8 hours. C. 6 to 10 hours. D. 8 to 12 hours. The correct answer is 4 to 8 hours. The rate of silting in a reservoir A. is less in the beginning. B. remains constant throughout. C. is more in the beginning. D. is more in the beginning and reduces in the end. The correct answer is more in the beginning and reduces in the end. Estimates of a water supply project depends upon the rate of water supply per capita consumption and probable population estimated at the end of the design period of A. 5 to 10 years. B. 10 to 15 years. C. 15 to 20 years. D. 20 to 30 years. The correct answer is 20 to 30 years. Pipes are laid parallel. A. to increase the capacity of the water supply. B. to provide a means of repairing without closing water supply. C. to meet the requirement of excessive supply. D. all the above. The correct answer is all the above. Maximum permissible color for domestic water supplies based on cobalt scale is A. 5 ppm. B. 10 ppm. C. 15 ppm. D. 20 ppm. The correct answer is 20 ppm. 135 liters of water per person per day is provided in A. nurses' homes. B. hostels. C. residential schools. D. all the above. The correct answer is all the above. For a network of distribution pipes of a proposed township shown in the below figure, the layout of distribution system is A. dead-end system. B. gridiron system. C. ring system. D. radial system. The correct answer is radial system. If P is population of a city in thousands and Q is fire demand in liters per minute for proper estimate of water, the empirical formula is suggested by A. National Board of Fire Underwriters, B. Freeman, C. Keitling, D. None of these. The correct answer is Freeman. The gaseous form of chlorine gets converted into liquid form when subjected to a pressure of A. 5 kg cm2, B. 6 kg cm2, C. 7 kg cm2, D. 8 kg cm2. The correct answer is 7 kg cm2. The pH value of water fit for drinking is A. 13, B. 11, C. 9, D. 7. The correct answer is 7. Pick up the incorrect statement from the following. The source of surface water is from A. Streams and rivers, B. Storage reservoirs, C. Springs, D. Ponds and lakes. The correct answer is springs. For the prediction of future population of a city, the factor to be considered is A. Births, B. Deaths, C. Migrants, D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. Pick up the incorrect statement from the following. A. The flow in strainer type wells is radial, B. The flow in cavity type wells is spherical, C. In strainer type wells area of flow depends upon the length of the strainer pipe, D. In cavity type wells area of flow depends upon the size of the cavity. The correct answer is in strainer type wells area of flow depends upon the length of the strainer pipe. Water may not contain much impurities if its source is A. Reservoirs, B. Stream flowing in plains, C. Lakes in lower regions, D. Spring along hill slopes. The correct answer is spring along hill slopes.